Good morning, this is my Shaman Oracle reading for today, and today is Tuesday. Welcome everyone. Today I'm reading for Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces, and the reading here is for Capricorn. Welcome Capricorn. I'm using 2 new decks and 2 cards of each deck. So let me start the reading with the Rose Oracle deck. Out for you came as the first card, After the Rain. And after the rain is telling us that there is a silver lining, there is relief, there is hope, mercy, saying it is over, and acceptance. There is something very special and sacred about the moment after it stops raining. The atmosphere has released all that it was holding, and in turn the earth has been cleansed, replenished, and nourished. It is a similar feeling to the moment after we stop crying. As those salty healing waters fall, they activate oxytocin and endorphins, which create a shift in how we feel. I think it is called oxytocin and endorphins, which create a shift in how we feel. What was once overwhelming now seems possible, and while we may not know it consciously, noticeable growth will soon follow. After the rain is all about hope, healing, beginnings and endings, and emotions, they are settling, and broken hearts are on the mending. Times of trials are over, and mercy can be felt. There is a moment of great relief. A new, encouraging silver lining can now be made out in the distance. What has been challenging and difficult has or is about to ease up. So if you have been going through a challenging time, this card is here to reassure you that things are about to get better. You have been through the worst of it, and now hope is here. These past weeks or months or even years haven't been straightforward. They have likely asked you to dig deep and to endure some hardships that have tested you, but now, at long last, there are smooth seas ahead. What you have learned and how you have grown can never be taken away from you, and now it is time to enjoy the warmth of the blessings that life has in store for you. Glorious new beginnings are now possible. So ask this soul inquiry: what am I ready to release? The second deck is the Good Tarot deck, and the tarot deck here is a bit different. It has no swords, no cups, no pentacles, and no wands. Instead, they are replaced by air, water, earth, and fire. And the first card that came out for you is the Star. And the Star stands for inspiration. Say this: I am hopeful and inspired by life right now, and everything that is happening points to a renewed sense of encouragement. after all the changes I have experienced, I am starting to recognize the hope that comes with new beginnings. And the second card that came out for you is the Five of Earth. It is about alternative forms of abundance, the illusion of lack, and overlooked treasures. So see this, all is not as it seems, so this is a time to look again. A change in perception can bring into focus the results that I sought, just in a different form than I expected. I am called to move away from poverty consciousness and open my eyes to the treasures before me that are suddenly illuminated. The illusion of wealth gives way to true abundance. There is no need to fear that a rug will be pulled out from under me. What we draw attention to grow, what we draw attention to will grow. So I count my blessings and realize I have far more. And the mystical shaman oracle card that came out is flow. Here you flow again. And the card says there is a natural movement of events in the world. You can see it in phenomena such as the tides, the ebb and flow of the oceans, and the rivers that rise up from the earth and then flow to the sea. So the symbol of flow represents the effortless and natural movement toward a certain destination. It signifies an ability to gracefully move around obstacles, and it reminds you of the sense of letting it happen. There is an invitation. When flow comes to visit, it is a sign that your intentions have been in motion. Now is the time to allow nature to run its course. You are being called to effortless movements and a path of least resistance. It is like being within music, flowing within a partnership. Think of the artist who creates without guile or craft, calling creativity up from the soul and bringing it to life without any effort. You are called to be like a river, knowing the fulfillment of destiny is assured. So enjoy the ride. There is a medicine aspect. Do not try to push against the river or swim upstream right now. You can trust that when the time is right, your dreams will begin to take shape and you will be invited to dance with destiny. Right now, however, you must relax. This is not a time to hang on the doors that refuse to open up. Whatever obstacle is in front of you right now, trust this is for the highest of your good. It is an opportunity to regroup and reconsider your choices, and you must trust that your intentions will take form in good time. So consider this as a gift to you. That was the reading for you, Capricorn. I thank you for listening. I do wish you a most joyous whole week. Take care and goodbye.